In front of me is POCO M6 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can manage vibration options. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access Sound and Vibration. Then scroll all the way down and click on this switcher next to Vibrate Phone Calls. This way you can switch on or off incoming calls vibrations. You can also click on this switcher next to Vibrate in Silent Mode to enable or disable vibrations when your device is muted. If you want to, you can always click on this switcher next to Haptic Feedback to enable or disable gestures and system-controlled vibrations. If you decided to switch them on, adjust intensity thanks to this slider. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!